Hey guys, Jason at Hard Money Bankers with your Private Money Minute. Whoever follows up the most will always win. If you're working with buyers, sellers, wholesalers, lenders, title companies, you need to create urgency. You need to follow up with them and stay in front of them, because let's keep in mind, life happens. People move on to another project, or people go to work and they get sidetracked. You need to be following up with them and staying in front of them. If they tell you they're going to call you back or get back to you, they have every intention to do that. But a lot of the times they're just not going to, because life gets in the way. So make sure you're calling them, emailing them, texting them. If they're on social media, direct message them. However you know you'll be able to get in touch with them, do it. You don't have to be rude. You don't have to be obnoxious about it, but you should be following up consistently. People appreciate follow-up. Believe me, people appreciate being followed up with. Just do it the right way. It'll get you very far, I promise. Sellers are getting offers all the time. Make sure you're in front of them regularly until they make a decision, either a yes or a no. Follow up with people. It goes a long way.